What is up guys, Alex G back in the video. Today I got the Hero 9 Black GoPro camera. Just got this right now. The Hero 10 already came out. It's exactly 1 year old. Today we're going to be unboxing it. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe, comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see, and we'll get started into the unboxing right now. Each new GoPro has a new generation of Hyper Smooth, and this one has 3.0. So right now, let's just get started with unboxing it. We're going to start from the bottom because there's this little tab right here, and there it goes right here. So we're just going to open this, open these side hatches right here. Starting from the Hero 9, all GoPros come in this brand new case. As you can see, GoPro is pretty cool. One zipper, which you open, all the contents inside. We're gonna open it right here for the first time, never been opened before, and we're gonna see what we see first. I'm in 3, 2, 1, and here it is. Here we got the camera right off the bat. We got the accessories, charger, battery, and like some extra mounts. Get started with some of the few instructions we have here. Some setup guides of how to start up the camera. We also got some stickers here, which is pretty cool. We have the warranty and all the questions you may have about the camera. That out of the way, here is the main part. Here is the Hero 9 camera we're gonna be making a couple of videos on. Here it is. We're gonna peel this off, and then we're gonna peel off, of course, the camera lens. We're just gonna take it and rip it, and here we go. This is one of the most heaviest cameras I've ever held. Way heavier than I thought it would be. And here we can pull this one off. There it is. A 20 megapixel camera, 5.3K. Over here are the two detachable like things where you can mount accessories on. Starting from the Hero 8, they started in like these types of new designs. GoPro does not have a cage like the Hero 7 and below have. It has to have a super secure watertight compartment to put the battery in and SD card. SD card goes in here. Battery is over here. So this is the size of the battery. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it is way bigger. It is way fatter. It is more thicker than the Hero 8 one. And there's the USB-C charging and the SD card, and we could just close it like this. We should pull this down, and there it is. It is a super watertight seal. And yeah, we're gonna boot up the camera for the first time, but before we do that, we got the charger, we got one of these mounts, and we have the adhesive mount. I used to have a lot of these, and of course the main part to screw in every single accessory we have. So as you can see, we put these two down. I don't really like this type of design, but you can't do really anything about it. Each GoPro has them now, starting from the 8. But yeah, you put it like through here, and then you screw it on. But I'm okay with this design as long as the battery compartment is pretty secure. But yeah, here it is. Look at this nice camera, Hero 9. Here's the battery. We're gonna take it out. It is way thicker than the GoPro Hero 8 and below batteries. It is like, here, let me show you a comparison. This is the Hero 876 battery. This is the Hero 9. You can see it's bigger in each way. Look at this. This is the Hero 9. So yeah, we can really see the difference in how battery life can affect the performance of the camera. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna be doing some tests on this camera. We're gonna be charging it up. We're gonna be seeing what else we could do with this, and we're gonna be also testing every single resolution on this camera. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is everything that comes in the box. Everything you guys see here right now comes in the box, and this, but whatever. These are the main things. Hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna see you all in another video next time, and subscribe.